Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. I'm going to take these pineapple fruit cups you get from the food pantry, plus that leftover ham from Christmas, and we're going to make a Hawaiian pizza. Next up on Uncle Chris, that's right, we're having our own Hawaiian steak, eh? Ho, ho, ho. No, it's not Santa. It's Uncle Chris.
What you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking.
All right, we're going to do a simple recipe. So what we're going to do, we're going to get our flatbread, which you can get these from the food pantry. They give them out. Or Aldi's has these. I'm going to take some spaghetti sauce, a little bit of spaghetti paste, some Italian seasoning, some garlic powder, some onion powder, leftover ham, mozzarella. And we're going to make a Hawaiian pizza. The idea is we're going to get rid of some of these leftovers. Now we're going to mix this whole thing, believe it or not, on top of the pizza. Ooh, I always forget my spoon. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down the middle of the pizza with our sauce. Did everybody have a good Christmas? Listen, I wish I could have done the part 2 of the lights, but a personal thing came up in the family and I couldn't do it. I'm going to try to get you all some more of those lights though, so you can see the rest of the lights here in Chicago. Now, I took a spoonful of the paste and I'm mixing it right with the spaghetti sauce itself, okay? Right in the center. We're doing a little volcano. This is the simplest thing you can do. Now, I'm opening up my Italian seasoning, just getting it ready. I'm mixing in my onion powder. I use a teaspoon or to taste. I really like onion powder, so I'm probably adding a tablespoon. I'm gonna put in some garlic powder. Now this, I'm gonna just put in enough to get that garlicky taste. Okay. Ooh, yes. I'm adding a pinch. Now look, y'all, you don't have to do this if you don't want to. Of sugar. Just a pinch. To be mixed in with the sauce so that it's not bitter. But you got that pineapple, which has a sweetness to it too. Now, I'm gonna mix this all around in our little thing here, just like when you do a dough, you make a little volcano. All right. Oh yeah, this smells good already. And this is gonna be the base of our pizza. We're gonna spread this all around. This is our sauce. The reason I put some paste in this is so that the sauce will actually cling to the pizza dough or the pizza bread here. Now, once you've got this basically covered, and yes, take it to the edges. We don't want dry, crusty edges. Take your Italian seasoning, sprinkle over the whole thing. Oh yeah. Yes. Now, clear me a little bit of space here. Take your ham that you got left over, chop it up. All this week, we're trying to do some New Year's Eve hors d'oeuvres and get rid of these leftovers and find new ways to get your family to eat what's left. And don't worry, if I have ham left over here, oh, we're definitely going to use that. Don't think we're not. Okay? Now, I'm even tearing my ham up a little bit more. I want to piece it over my pizza bread or dough, whatever you want to call it, but this is pre-cooked. Oh yeah. Now we're going to take our pineapple. I've drained this, and I'm going to sprinkle it over the top. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Oh yes. All right. I digress. Now, I'm going to take my mozzarella cheese. We're not even going to grate this because this is some lazy cooking today. All right. Now we're going to take this and put it in the oven at 375 degrees for at least 30 minutes or until this is golden brown on top. Because remember, everything is cooked. All right. Let's cook it, and I'm going to be right back. Nieces and nephews, look how this turned out. Ooh, look. Yes, yes. Now, I actually want to start this way. Straight down the center. Now, look at that. Oh, yes. This is hot. I have to let it set. But trust me, I've made this before, and it is delicious. Now, I made another pizza because I had some more leftovers, but that's going to be a surprise for the next video, which is up today. So you got 2 videos today, so I want you to tune into that. I'll put some pineapples and their juice in this cup. You take you some tropical punch. Miss Nina, stop that. She's after that. Ooh. Take you some tropical punch, pour over top, and you got a tropical drink, all complete with your tropical pizza. Now, all this week, I'm gonna try to do recipes to get rid of all those leftovers and do some hors d'oeuvres for New Year's. So we'll be ready for the party, even if it's just for one person, yourself. Listen, we're gonna take this time of year and make it a happy time, all right? Like, comment, subscribe, and more importantly, write to me at Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef at gmail.com. All right, I want to hear from you. I want to know what you need. I want to know if you need some recipes. I want to know if you need some food, because I am ready to give you some. All right. Big love from Uncle Chris.